Assalamu alaikum viewers. Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs Advisor Dr. Asif Nozul said Bangladesh will be freed from all black laws in phases. The countrymen would see a discrimination-free Bangladesh through amending those acts. The advisor said this in a view exchange meeting on amending CASA 2023 at the Judicial Administration Training Institute on 3rd October. Asif Nozul said, a new law will replace the existing one, and its basic approach will be protecting the citizens. Post Telecommunication and Information Technology Affairs Advisor MD Nahid Islam also addressed the meeting. Nahid advocated for complete repeal of the existing law and make new one, as any amendment version of the law is not sufficient to stamp out confusion in public mind. TIB Executive Director Dr. Iftekharuzzaman, Dhaka University Law Department Professor Dr. Muhammad Nazmuzzaman Bhuiya, former District and Session Judge Iqtidar Ahmed, Senior Lawyer Barrister Sara Hussain, Senior Journalist Riaz Ahmed, Journalist Leader Kader Gani Chaudhry, Writer and Political Analyst Dr. Jahidur Rahman, one of the victims of CSA, Khadijatul Kubra, Barrister Shajib Mahmood, Yale Law School Fellow Dr. Salwa Haq, Supreme Court lawyers Shishir Monir, Abdullah Al Noman, Mostafizur Rahman Khan, and Barrister Tanim Hussain, writer Syed Abdullah, and Anti-Discrimination Movement Coordinator MD Tariqul Islam, among others, spoke on the occasion. Most of the speakers suggested for repealing the existing Cyber Security Act and replace it with new one. Collected from BSS. Thank you very much.